Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use grids and frames like a designer in Canva step by step in 2026 so you can create visually appealing layouts, perfect compositions, and professional looking designs effortlessly. Grids and frames are essential tools for aligning elements, organizing content, and maintaining balance in your designs. They allow you to work efficiently while keeping everything polished and consistent. Start by opening Canva and selecting the design type you want to work on, like social media posts, presentations, or marketing materials. Next, navigate to the Elements tab and choose Grids. Pick a grid layout that suits your design needs. Grids help you position images or graphics evenly and maintain a clean, structured layout. Now drag your images into the grid cells. Canva will automatically crop and fit them into the frame, which makes your design look professional without much effort. You can adjust the position of each image inside the frame to highlight important parts. Frames work similarly, but give you more creative flexibility. You can drag a frame onto your canvas and place any element, images, graphics, or even videos inside it. This is perfect for unique shapes, creative borders, or masking elements for more dynamic visuals. Another tip is to combine multiple grids or frames. Use them to create collage-style layouts, product showcases, or multi-photo stories. Consistency in spacing and alignment is key to achieving a designer-quality look. Don't forget to use Canva's alignment and snapping tools to ensure everything is perfectly lined up. Even small adjustments make a big difference in visual appeal. Finally, preview your design and make any necessary tweaks. Check for balance, spacing, and focal points to ensure the layout guides the viewer's attention effectively. Once satisfied, export your design in high quality, ready to share or post. And that's how to use grids and frames like a designer in Canva, step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.